center, so you want to go left.
Alright. I'm gonna get ready with my foot on the pedal.
You don't really need those till you're on the runway, so don't worry too much about that.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Now you need to come to the left slightly and bring that nose up here slightly low, just a tiny bit.
Got it?
There you go.
I'm gonna trim it up just a
That's
little bit.
fine. Remember, this should be centered, and that should be centered, but you're flying these. You do see the runway out there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Tiny corrections. We should be centered right now.
Very good. Keep flying it.
Gears are down.
How's the feet? Landing gears down, free green. Flaps, slats, 40-40 green light. Before landing checklist is complete.
Clear to land.
Clear land, that runway. Now the runway should always stay in the same position on the windscreen.
Absolutely.
Right now your nose needs to come down just a shade right there. If the runway stays in the same position,
It's good,
that's
yeah.
good.
How come we don't have the localizer lights on the left side of the runway?
I think you'll see as we get closer, or they may not be turned on. Those are the PAPI lights of the Vassies. Don't worry about them. You don't need
These are
them.
the most
You have an
helpful
electronic light slope, which is even
Got
more
it.
accurate. Now,
I got
yeah,
that.
you have the throttles. That's fine. Hand on the throttles, but don't bring them back yet. At about 100 feet, you'll bring them back. Don't
And
give
then
it too much
50 I wanna pull
power.
up.
Too much power. Bring it back a little bit. Right about there. You don't want to go too high. Keep that nose down. At 100 feet, you'll idle the throttles. No, nose is down too far. You got a little bit high there because you gave it a lot of power. But keep it coming down. That's fine. But put your hand back on the throttle. And correct back to the center of the runway. Nose down. You're high. Nose down. Reduce the throttles. Nose down. Nose down. Right there. Now idle the throttles. Raise the nose. Idle throttles. Raise the nose. Hold it right there. Okay, you're down. Lower the nose. Put the reverse thrusters on. Okay. You can use toe brakes if you want. Keep it in the center of the runway. 80 knots. You can take the reverse off. Bring the aircraft to a complete stop. Let me have that left reserve person didn't come out. And bring it to a complete stop. Bring it to a complete stop. And set the parking brake. Nice job. Very good. How did it feel to you?
Amazing.
How did it feel?
I thought it would be way harder.
Now you saw how
Sensitive it gets to.
Well,
Closer you get, that's how sensitive it gets.
I'm going to make it harder on you right now.
Go ahead.
I'm going to give you one more of these.
Was that a good landing though? You liked it?
That was a decent landing for Orange County. Stay there.